In this video, we are going to install Silver Holders LED rear spoiler lip kit. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Quality made with flexible, durable polyurethane material. This is the carbon fiber look. It does have a strong adhesive on the bottom. It is IP68 waterproof. It uses bright SMD 3014 LED chips. They come in 3 different sizes: 43 inches, 47 inches, and 51 inches long. This here is the 51-inch version. It does have a wire lead up to the connector of 17 inches. Then you have your wiring of about 60 inches long. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So I forgot to mention that it comes with adhesives for the end pieces. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and locate the center point and then just get a little tape and just tape it up so that way I can hold it into place. Alright, I've located the center. I just taped it up so I can go ahead and start stick and peeling. If you can, use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface so you can get rid of the oils and grease. Now we're going to go ahead and peel the backing. And let's start to stick. I pull the tape as I press along. So that's how it looks. Here's the wiring. I'll show you how to wire that in a little bit. So I chose to place this on the bottom because the top has too much of a curve and it's going to be harder for me to stick it on. So I just chose the bottom. So now for the wiring, I'm going to go ahead and pull this weather strip up, run the wires in between this panel and through here and up over and connect to the light. So here's how it's wired. I just tucked it in under this spoiler. And it just comes up under the weather strip. So this is what you have for your wiring. The green wire is for your start scan. The white wire is for your brake. The two yellow wires is for your turn signal. The red wire is your constant power. And your black wire is your ground. So you want to get yourself a voltmeter just like this. The black wire, which you don't see here, is connected to this bolt, unpainted metal bolt. That's my ground. Here we have your red, which you want to connect to a 12-volt source. Yellow, which are your turn signals. White, which is your brake. And green, which is another constant power. So right now the vehicle's off. All of them have no current. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So now we should have power on your 12-volt. You can see right there, I have power. None on your turn signals and none on the brake. And I have power here. This is my parking lights. So to check which one's your brake, we're gonna have someone pressing the brake. Go ahead and press on the brake. And that confirms that this is my brake light. Release your brake and it turns off. We're gonna go ahead and signal left. So she's signaling left and we're gonna test. So we know this is our left turn signal. Go ahead and signal right. And she's signaling right. That is my right turn signal. That's how I would determine which yellow goes to where. And that's all there is to it. Start the car. Features a nice start sequence, then remains lit while driving at about 50% brightness. Signal left. Sequential signal when you turn on the left or right signals. Signal right. Press the hazard button. Lights come on from the center and moves quickly outward when you press the hazard warning button. Release the hazard button. Press on your brake. 100% brightness when the brakes are activated. Perfect. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.